Welcome. Today we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to change your country on LinkedIn. Whether you've moved for work or personal reasons, updating your location is essential for networking and job opportunities. Let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, look for the Me icon located at the top left corner of your screen. This icon represents your profile and is your gateway to making changes. Next, tap on the Settings option. This will take you to a menu where you can adjust various aspects of your account. From here, navigate to Account Preferences. This section is crucial as it houses your profile settings. Now, under the Profile Information category, find and click on Name, Location, and Industry. This is where you can edit key details about your professional identity. You'll see an Edit icon next to the Location field. Click on this icon to proceed. In the pop-up window that appears, scroll down until you reach the Location section. Here comes the important part. Select your new country from the drop-down menu. Make sure to choose the correct country that reflects your current situation. Depending on your selection, you might also need to enter additional details like your city or postal code. Once you've made all necessary changes, don't forget to click Save. This step ensures that all updates are recorded in your profile. Finally, take a moment to verify that your updated location is displayed correctly on your public profile. This not only enhances your visibility, but also aligns with potential job opportunities in your new area. And there you have it. Changing your country on LinkedIn is a quick and easy process that can significantly impact your professional networking and job search efforts. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.